Okay, we're going to go ahead and just do a real quick review, kind of a flash review over what we just learned in Chapter 6 about integrity and compassion. And so we talked about the truth and lies and what happens to our brain when we lie, even if it's a white lie, even if it's a little lie, that it really impacts our brain in a very negative way, and which can also ultimately impact our health and, of course, our relationships. We talked about what happens when we make exceptions to the rules when we lie. Your brain isn't saying, oh, well, you know what, there's a really good reason why she's going to lie, so we're just going to make an exception. Your brain doesn't operate that way. Your brain is saying, oh, there's a lie, so flash, you get all this blood flow and you're going to damage yourself, and you don't want to do that. We talked about how when we lie, it not only affects our brain, it affects our purpose, and it affects our future. It affects our credibility. It affects our relationships. It affects how we view everything in life. And so we want to really make a commitment that we're not going to make exceptions to the rule, that we're going to realize that truth is for us. It's not against us. We also looked at what happens to our brain when we have prejudice and discrimination. And we can see that it also creates a huge problem inside of our brain, and it kind of shuts down, and we're not able to problem solve effectively. And how this could be a huge piece of your purpose in life. And so you want to make sure that if you do have people in your life that you might have a prejudice against, you feel awkward or uncomfortable with, or you don't agree with them, that you do need to spend some time with them. Don't just read about them. You need to spend time with these people and get to know another human being on exactly how they're experiencing life. We realize that altruism means that we care about people, and that when we care about people, we should be demonstrating love. And that means we don't withhold good things, okay? And so ultimately we realized in the end that ripples of change occur when we have a change of our thought patterns, and that one of the ways that we're going to manage our life, because life is not cured, or pardon me, life is managed, not cured. We are going to say, I'm going to intentionally bring the truth in. I'm going to intentionally allow my mind to have a change of thought so that I can not only impact my own future and my own purpose, but I am going to actually impact the people around me. And it grows as you mature. And so truth is about maturing us. Truth is about growing up. And truth is about finally getting into the purpose that we were born for, and what problem we were born to solve. I hope you enjoyed this session. I look forward to catching up with you at the next session. There's still so much more, and you're going to really enjoy it. Okay, we'll see you again.